we are here today to tell you about the MegaSense research program, and the project is about massive scale environmental, especially air quality sensing, supported by AI and 5G networks. And this project is a collaboration between CMCC and Nokia Shanghai Bell, as well as University of Helsinki leading the academic activities.
Air quality is one of the key challenges presently. And actually with MegaSense project we are able to give solutions via the data handling, comprehensive observations, sensor network and online validation and calibration.
And the calibration is really the key, so that we use the highly accurate data from our atmospheric scientists, and we use that to calibrate lower cost, lower quality sensors, and then we deploy these in a distributed manner so that we have a dense mesh of the smart city, and we then have this near real-time and very fine-grained view of the air quality.
And also in that way we know the corrosion, we are able to give air quality measures with different places using geovisualization, making maps around the city and find out the most, let's say, greenish parts or most black parts to really select where we want to go.
Nokia is very happy to collaborate with the University of Helsinki and the China Mobile Innovation Center on this very important topic. And moreover, 5G is the fabric for that. Of course, if you want to have a mesh of massive IoT sensor distributed all over the city, that is where 5G is the answer. If you want to have reliable connectivity virtually over the network with network slicing, 5G is the answer. Also, if we have like a more critical high data rate transmission needed to the high quality sensor, 5G is the answer. So I think it is a good marriage of addressing a very important use case and demonstrating the ability of 5G, and we are very happy to demonstrate this here at Mobile World Congress Shanghai.